currently 9:07. It's May 1st. Me and my man just moved into our first place together yesterday, and so today we just used as like a chill day. Like, we were doing a little bit of stuff here and there, but for the most part it just looks crazy. And so right now we are on a late night Target run, but yesterday was a lot. We had so much help. It was 9 of us in total, I believe, and it was just all of my family, and I was moving out of my first ever apartment. And so, that was my first apartment solo, and so that was a lot for me. But now me and my man got a crib together. He is pumping the gas right now, and I haven't been wanting to cook because I just want everything to be clean and unpacked first before we even really get down. So you guys are gonna come along with us on this journey of just unpacking and making it a home. Yesterday late night, I deep cleaned like the living room area just so we can have something set up. I will show you guys when we get back to the place how the living room looks and just like the state of the apartment, but it is really, really crazy.
What's up? Well, what's up?
It's so good or not. This paper towel holder here is $35, and it's just like, what is that, marble, stone?
Something, it's like stone.
Yeah, right? This one over here is only $15. That's the smarter decision. But like, we literally just stood here about like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Not
Just
10 minutes,
okay,
like
five minutes just deciding on a paper towel holder, guys. Back home, quick haul. You guys just saw a little bit of stuff already, but just quick haul. So, favorite toothpaste, Dove. Then I've been loving this brand recently. So I haven't tried this one yet. I just tried the rice water one, but so far it's been doing my hair good. And then this is the one we were talking about. He got one yesterday, but we just got another one because we have 2 bathrooms now.
Pink toilet cleaner.
The best.
Sticky things for the toilet. Stain remover.
For the couch, carpet, all that disappears like that. Yeah.
Wall. Wall. Soap refiller. Last but not least.
Our favorite purchase of all.
Guys, come on. My guys, come on.
Yeah, we know. I'm gonna show you guys the state of the apartment right now. Yeah, so, but I just want to show you like what it's looking like right now and how we were able to do the living room yesterday. But tomorrow is Saturday and we got we have a full day to get some other stuff done, and Sunday too. But yeah, let's get to it. So this is low-key kind of an apartment tour, but not really. Literally, this is the kitchen. We have our laundry room, and the living room is coming together. I'm so happy we finally got the TV mounted, and we got that done yesterday, so I love that for us. But this is how the living room is looking like. If you watched my apartment tour from my last apartment tour, I had this under the TV, but I decided that I wanted it as a coffee table, and I'm actually really loving it. Like, look at the apartment from this side. Craziness. And that is the guest bathroom. That's the state of our room right now. We have a closet there, and then our bathroom there, which y'all will see that once it's done. But like, come on, look at this. And then that over there is the den. Like, guys, so much more space. This is gonna be like the working area. He's in the shower right now, so I am going to close this vlog off. I'm going to obviously do a lot more tomorrow, but and we started this vlog so late, but yeah. See you guys in the morning. It's Saturday, 12:30. We are on the way to get coffee. It's supposed to be raining all day today, but our plan today anyway was gonna stay in and get more unpacking and cleaning done. We're trying to get everything done by tomorrow, but don't know how that's gonna go. But we literally have all day today, so I need some coffee first. Then we're running another errand, and then we're heading back home. I don't know what coffee we're getting yet. I don't know what I'm in the mood for. I'm in the mood for anything, honestly. We're at Scooters. I just got a medium coffee, and then he got a smoothie.
Hi, sorry about that wait. What can I get started for you today?
I have a mobile order for Rihanna. Thank you.
Soda.
He got a smoothie. This is his. Yeah.
So nummy.
Yeah. Okay, so the kitchen is driving me the most crazy right now. I think I'm gonna save the bathrooms, like deep cleaning, for last since we have 2 now. So he could probably get a bathroom, or we just work on one bathroom together and then do the next. I don't know how that's gonna go, but right now the kitchen is the main focus because I want to get the fridge cleaned out. I want to clean all of these cabinets before we put anything up. Lots of cleaning, lots of cleaning. Gloves coming on. Let's go. The camera died midway. While it was charging, me and Brandon was able to get so much done. Let's show the progress. So this is our pantry. I'm still like, I'm just putting stuff like where it is for right now, but if I don't like it, I'll end up changing it later. We did this for plates. I have this one. Love that. Cup situation right now, I don't know how I want it yet, so we just put them up. I was able to get some of my seasonings in here already. The pots and pans in here for right now. Mixing bowls are in here. We got so much done, but it's time to get right back into it. Making that our medicine cabinet. Nice job. Okay guys, so it's 9:17 and it's getting to that point. We've literally been at it all day, like just doing stuff around, unboxing stuff. For the most part, we got a lot of the kitchen done, which was one of my goals today. And so I'm getting to that point where I'm just getting like tired and slowing down and just wanting to chill. Like my knees are hurting really bad. And so I'm gonna do just like a little bit more. I'm gonna do everything else tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. We just got church in the morning, and after that we'll be right back home cleaning and unpacking. I want to show y'all how much we unpacked though. Like, I'm really proud of us. Like, look at how many boxes. Yes, period. Gotta break all those boxes down. As you can see, it's already looking like so cute. Especially, I'm really proud of like our plates and all of that. And then the other side too is over here. But I love that. Like, it really looks nice. Like, it makes my heart happy. We have to get a new organizer for utensils because the one that I had at my previous apartment, it does not fit in these drawers. The way our bathroom is set up, he's gonna have his own side. There's 2 sinks. He has his own side, and then my cabinets are here. So I do just want to set up a little bit of my stuff in here. So that's what we're about to do. For the most part, like, we've gotten so much done, and we literally, we moved in Thursday and today's Saturday. So for it being that long, we got a lot done and a lot cleaned. So very happy about that. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for the shower. So we ended up breaking down a lot of those boxes yesterday. So now we're about to bring it to the compactor. And look how much we have. Period. For some reason, my sister just showed up, and she's in my bed.
What the heck?
And she's in my bed, so not really sure. Just gonna go ahead and still clean though.
Got him.
That's not.
No.
Hello.
Got him. Nice job.
So right now, me and my sister are gonna go to IKEA. I'm gonna go to Ross, and then Brandon's gonna stay here and do this thing for the TV. Okay, well, it's upside down, but anyways, like, there's like a little sensor thingy, this thingy, and it goes over the TV, and then it senses like the stuff on the TV and all the colors match. So he's gonna do that while we go. No, you guys, so all of the organizers that they had didn't fit the dimensions of our drawers, and so it is Sunday, so they're closing at 6. So right now I'm literally just looking at whatever, though I also wanted to look at these shelves. I gotta find them. I don't know where they are. I couldn't find the shelves that I got on display for you guys to see, but I found them. I got 3 of them. I'm gonna have Brandon put those up. I haven't been to work literally since Thursday, since I took off, but now we're gonna try to rush to Marshall's before they close. Okay, so Ross, they had a utensil organizer and it looked small enough for the drawers, but like the dimensions, like the sizes was not on it. So like, fingers crossed that it fits, and if it doesn't, I'm coming right back to return it. And then I also just got a kitchen mat for where I do the dishes because my legs be hurting. So let's go home. We're about to go get a sweet tea. If you know me, I always have to have like a sweet tea. I try not to get one every day, but it seems like I do get a sweet tea every day, or a coffee or something sweet. Like, I just can't help it. But we're about to go get a sweet tea. It's Sunday, so Chick-fil-A is closed, so we're gonna go to Zaxby's, and then y'all are about to see if this fits in the drawer. Y'all, this is the one from Ross. We're about to see if this fits. Moment of truth. Like, literally, there's no dimension, so let's see. Period. It fits. It's even smaller, actually. I totally forgot to film. We just came back from dinner, but like, it was close to closing time, and so I just wanted to eat and get up out of there. But I want to show you guys the light that he put up. I literally love it. There's so many different settings, but I want you guys to see how it changes colors and it like senses what's on the TV.
Oh, you see?
All 3 of us are going to build these shelves, literally, because there's 3, so all 3 of us have one. So I didn't even actually really help building the shelves, but they got put together thanks to the company, my neighbors. Like, I already told you guys I'm living next to my sibling, and they just walked over here, period. It's about to be 12 a.m., but we did it, guys. Yay! And she's
Cheers on my
leaving.
first time raising.
I still gotta get more stuff there, though. Close it off here. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.